Today we're going to break down a seemingly complicated DJ trick Hardwell does to end his Tomorrowland DJ set. Now most EDM DJs do this, so let's go check this trick out. Now that may have looked and sounded pretty complicated, but it's really not. It's actually quite easy to do. So let me first explain to you what Hardwell does, and later on, let me teach you how you can do this exact DJ trick yourself on any DJ controller. So what Hardwell does is pretty simple. He first makes a 1-beat loop on a beat, and he gradually makes that loop tighter and tighter. And he does that by pressing and holding the out button on the CDJ and turning the jogwheel counterclockwise ever so slowly to simulate a build-up. He then activates an echo effect on it and high-pass filters it away. So I'll be teaching you how to do this exact routine on Rekordbox DJ and a close version of this routine on Serato, Tractor, and Virtual DJ. But before we proceed, let me just say that if you want to follow along with this tutorial, the song used in this video is available for download down below or right over here, and you can really support this channel by donating and downloading as you go. So let's first start with Rekordbox DJ. The first thing you want to do is make your life easier when you make a loop, because not all of us have perfect timing, so it will be wise to activate Quantize/Snap on your DJ software. This will enable you to make perfect loops right on the beat of the song. Now the first step is to play a song and make a 1-beat loop. Hardwell does this by clicking in and out on his CDJ, but you can make a loop any way you want according to how your controller functions. Next step is to press and hold the out button, followed by placing your hand on the platter and gradually turning the platter counterclockwise to simulate the loop getting tighter and tighter. And you do this until you can't make it tighter anymore. Now the important part of this step is to do it on tempo and on beat with the song. So turn the jogwheel counterclockwise steadily and in rhythm. Now once your loop is making a single tone, it'll be time then to activate an echo effect on it and to high-pass filter it away. Now let's do a version of this on a Serato controller. Keep in mind that this alternate method can also work for users of Tractor and Virtual DJ. So first activate Quantize. Then play a song and make a 1-beat loop. Now when this is happening, instead of pressing out and turning the jogwheel counterclockwise, we're going to make this loop tighter and tighter by simply pressing the 1-X button instead. So press that button and beat with the loop to make that tightening loop sound like a build-up. Then activate an echo effect on it and high-pass filter that loop away. And that's it. If you guys have any questions about this routine or suggestions for other routines for me to break down, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. And with that said, thank you so much for watching guys, and I will see you all in the next one.